You two lovebirds been
Going steady.
I am Chowder's girlfriend, and Chowder is my boyfriend, and we're totally going to be together forever and ever. And now we're holding hands.